Hello fam, hope you're all doing great. Today I'll be showing you the best way to do your braids and to achieve the most perfect grip. So stick around and don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you have not, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also share with friends and family. This method is easy and perfect for beginners or for someone who is trying to up their grip game. I believe everyone can relate, because if your braids are not well gripped, they will not last you long. So this method will make sure your braids will serve you for a while, and also it makes your work easier as you do the braids because it is so fast. You first braid your natural hair and then place the extension either above or below the braid, depending on which side you are comfortable on, and then use your hair as the third leg and then braid as usual. In case you do not get it, keep watching because you'll be seeing more, and I hope you are going to get it. I hope now you will be able to do your braids comfortably and without struggling with clipping. I hope you'll be trying it out. Also, let me know down below what you think or whether you tried, and also let me know which hairstyle you'd like us to try or what you'd like to see more of, and I'll be glad to do it for you. I'll be seeing you on the next one. Bye.